Hey, welcome back to my channel. I have a table from Ikea that I will show you all how to build. I don't know if you all have an Ikea around your city, but Ikea is a very good store, nice store anyway. You buy stuff there. It's like you can easily build it. I mean, they have nice couches, kitchen tables, kitchen chairs, uh, just furniture in general, dressers, plants, lamps, all that. IKEA has it. This is GLADOM. Got the box. It's not like very hard to build. IKEA also provides a manual. Every place does, but it shows you how to do it. They usually already have a toolkit inside, but sometimes you want your own tools. It's just something that if you're used to using your own tools. But anyway, let's get started. These are the things that comes in the box. And our toolkit. See? And so, not many in here. So that lets you know again that the project should be quick and easy. Possibly. So let's just go ahead and look through it. I mean, it's just a easy 1, 2, 3, 4 step. So anyway, like I'm showing you, let's just get started. So in this packet, there's a long, and these are 3 short nails. According to the paper, you use the long nails to put in here. So, according to the paper, you see where this is thicker, and then on the bottom it's thinner. You have to put these 2 together, match it up. So you go that way. Once you have matched them up, so I can go right here, make sure. See that? And then you put the longer one in the top. Use this to push it in, act like a screwdriver. So I got that in pretty tight. Now I need to put in the other one at the bottom, but I don't have to worry about that just yet. So you can see this ring. Put this on top like that. You put it all, the hole match up with the other hole. And on this side, same here. It's only 2. And the shorter nails will go in that. Now it's one more nail that has to go in, and that's the bottom one. Now that you have all the nails in, which is a total of 4, larger one at the top, small ones on each side, just these 2 sides, large, 2 small, third small one at the bottom. Now you place this one right at the top. Boom. And you have your table. It's a nice table to sit by your couch. Remotes, something cute on it, or you hold your drink for a reasonable price at Ikea. Go down there and get you one. Again, I think it's called GLADOM. Thank you all for tuning in to watch me build this beautiful table. Again, it's a quick, easy, cutesy table. Some call it a coffee table, a side table, whatever you want to call it. It's not hard to build. Most of Ikea things are just the same way. Easy built, affordable, nice to put in a small apartment, or it's nice for a larger home. Whichever one you want it for. But thank you again for joining. Watch my previous videos. Press a like, comment, put down anything you want to talk about. And thank you again for supporting my channel. Thank you.